Hello, welcome to App Mavericks. I'm Geraldine Gray, and I'm a Salesforce MVP. I'm here today to talk to Jason Fowler from NewVoiceMedia. Jason, tell us a little bit about yourself and the background of NewVoiceMedia.
Sure. I'm the Regional Vice President of Sales Engineering for NewVoiceMedia here in North America. NewVoiceMedia as a company was founded about 15 years ago with headquarters in the UK and regional offices in San Francisco, Manhattan, Dallas, and Sydney, Australia. Contact World is the NewVoiceMedia platform that we sell. It's a global inside sales and contact center platform designed specifically for Salesforce. So we can take all that great information you have about your clients inside Salesforce and use that to determine how we want to route the call, prioritize the call, or what messages we want to play. So essentially connecting all the information you have about your customers with every conversation you have with those customers.
Tell us what makes NewVoiceMedia different, and why is it more innovative than some of the other apps on the AppExchange?
Well, good question. The first thing I'd like to talk about would be our global network. We're able to deliver phone calls from any region in the entire globe, whether that's North America, EMEA, or APAC. It doesn't matter to us. And the reason we're able to do that is we've taken that traditional network infrastructure that people used to have to build on their own, on-premise, and moved it all to the cloud. We've also taken all the disaster recovery and business continuity efforts that you would normally have to do on that on-premise system, and we've taken control of that using our 24/7 NOC and provisioning team who manages all that for you. We're also able to do sales acceleration. So we have the tools that allow you to make more phone calls in a shorter period of time and increase pickup rates through things like local presence, and also reduce overall effort and give your salespeople a much better experience as they're calling with features like voicemail drop and things of that nature. And because we automatically log every single phone call, we're able to tie that back to any record in Salesforce so that you have access to that without any additional effort. And both teams, both sales and service, would have access to this information to have a 360-degree view of your entire client base.
Jason, can you give me an example or a use case where a customer has had great success using NewVoiceMedia?
Absolutely. We have the capability to mine Salesforce for any value on any field, on any record, whether it's customer standard, and use that value to determine how we want to route a phone call. So for example, I can see what region that call is coming from and transfer that call directly to the team that handles that particular region. Great sales use case. I can see what language this person speaks, and I can transfer it to the support agent who can answer that type of phone call and speak that particular language. I can see what products they own and play targeted marketing messages associated with those particular products. I can even see if their service contract is going to expire, or even if that account is past due, and transfer the call accordingly. We have one customer, DPD, in Europe. You can think of them as the UPS in Europe, based out of Germany. They handle about 13,000 phone calls through our platform, 10,000 of which we deflect through self-service and self-help, so no agent ever has to speak to those individuals. They can do things like listen to see when their package will arrive, or even reschedule that package, all through our IVR, or automated attendant, as you might know it as.
If I'm a Salesforce customer, I can see some really great use cases. I can use NewVoiceMedia for my Service Cloud contact center. I can use it for my sales team, and I can also use it to bring in my marketing data to send on-point messages. Can we take a look at a demo and see how the product works in real life?
I would love to show you a demo. In this example, we are logged in as Jason, one of our sales reps. With the Salesforce Lightning experience, he has everything he needs right in front of him. From the latest sales data to his daily activities, Jason's only ever a few clicks away from having successful conversations. Jason can dial his hottest leads with local calling numbers that increase pickup rates. His latest call was to a prospect in New York, so he displayed a number with a New York area code. When he connects with the prospect, Contact World for Sales automatically logs and records all calls. With NewVoiceMedia's Connect Dialer, Jason's manager can easily create dial lists without leaving Salesforce. Now Jason and his team can quickly call through a list of leads from a trade show or other lead source. Once the sale's been made, it's now time for great customer service. Contact World and Salesforce Omnichannel allow you to manage all your customer channels within Salesforce, seamlessly integrating a federated point of presence with the Contact World contact pad. In this example, David, who is a VIP customer, calls customer service. Dynamic call routing gives David that VIP experience by routing his call with priority and delivering him to the agent who's best able to help him. All of David's information is given to the agent via the contact pad. And the contact pad puts your agents in complete control, whether placing a caller on hold, recording a conversation, or even consulting with other members of your team. This all happens within a single Salesforce screen and alongside your other communication channels. You can resolve problems quickly and confidently, all on a global platform that turns calls into successful conversations.
So Jason, this is a really great tool. I can see just tons of customers loving it. If they want to learn more or they want to take the next step, what do they do? Where do they go?
Well, first of all, you can go to NewVoiceMedia.com where you can read a lot of great information about both sales and service and even see a few demonstration videos. You can also access on the Salesforce AppExchange where you'll find we have a 5.0 rating and read a lot of great reviews. I think you'll like what you see.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for today, and we'll be seeing you at Dreamforce.
Thank you, Geraldine. You take care.
Bye.